Alright guys, we got last box of 2017 Leaf Greatest Hits. Been fun while it lasted. Draft your hit. We got Preston in the driver's seat here. Drafting first. Alright, the recollection card is Mike Gallego. That one is going to Tracy. Oh, what is this? Never seen one of these before. Topps co-signers, Harvey Kuhn and Charles Gehringer. Dual cut auto. That is a pretty sweet looking card right there. Topps co-signers. That one, looking for a numbering on it. I don't see a number in. That's bizarre. Not numbered on that. Okay. Then we'll finish. Then we'll get a flawless 14/25 Bo Jackson autograph. Oh, I can't go wrong with this. About a little Derek Jeter. 1993 Pinnacle 9/5 rookie. Subgrades all 9/5 with centering as a 9. And we've got a 1954 Topps PSA 6.5 Al Kaline rookie. Nice grade right there on that one. PSA 6.5. All right, guys, go ahead and draft away. Preston, number one pick is all you, buddy.